Happy Friday, everybody. We are going to do my weekly sinking funds. We have $350. I start with my personal wallet, which is this A9. I am going to have them available very shortly. What is on this? It's like there's some kind of smear. Hopefully by the time the video is up, they will be in my Etsy shop. They are genuine leather. They are the size of your palm. I use a crossbody and it fits perfectly in one of the little slots where a wallet would go. It will come with 6 inserts and you can choose if you want dashboards, and I'll have choices for dashboards as well. Okay, so let's stuff my little tiny wallet here. I get 1 of 40 for the week, whatever I carry over, if I have any, I'm using to save toward savings challenges. Specifically, I have full-size savings challenges like a big book that's disc bound, and I haven't been able to use it yet because I don't have the cash that I need to. I want to at least have $100 before I, oh wait, caffeine does not get $40. You guys are probably looking at your screen like, what? She has given herself $40 for caffeine out of 140. No. Lately, I've been trying not to use it at all because I usually need more than 40 for gas. And then all of my other categories get 20. This doesn't include my weekly grocery budget, which is $250. I will sometimes use the household and the spending for household things that I don't get with my groceries, whether it's paper towels. I try to, oh, hang on, I never unstuffed. Woo, bonus for the big book. I do try to use coupons at either Walgreens or Dollar General when they have on the weekend, so I get extra savings. It sounds silly, but I try to save more than I spend. So last week when I did Walgreens, I spent $52 and saved $67 and then got $5 back to use in the future. So that's how I like to coupon and spend for household. So there is my personal wallet. And let's see, whoa. Let's see what I didn't unstuff. Usually I have a candle there and I do not. So I have a 5 and 10. So this is gonna get set aside for big book. Actually, I can do it right now. I will put it in here. I think I have a big book. There it is. I have some money in here. Let's see what I've got. Because I think some of my friends pick on me because they think big book is a phantom. Because I have it, but it's never been seen. 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3. So I have 43. So I'm getting there. I'm going to take some money from my May closeout as well to put in there. Okay, so first we always start with my sinking funds. Car maintenance always gets 25. This is going to go toward for summer tires. I'm not going to end up completing this before I need it, but I do have a little bit for my car from the last go round in here in my high yield, and that's what I'll use. That's what I'll use for tires. Cell is getting 20. How much do I have in here? 60. I usually pay it like randomly, so my bill is never a quote unquote full bill. Clothing and shoes is getting 5. So a lot of these categories get 5. They're just moving slowly, saving. Eating out, we usually spend more than 5, but I guess you can count it as like a one-time ahead. Same thing with home maintenance. It isn't for any particular project. I do want to finish a porch that's enclosed and potentially make it an office. And we do need to work on some appliances. taxes is an automatic transfer, I think. Yes, that's an electronic transfer. Utilities and water this week are getting 10. This also kind of acts toward, I guess, a month ahead, because obviously my utility bill is more than $10 a month. But what I do is I come in here and I pull it when the bill gets paid. So because I'm not completely zero-based budgeting, it's just kind of those envelopes help when we do pay the bill from our account as I'm working toward being zero-based budget. I hope that makes sense. So we do still have a lot of the bills we do electronically for the house, for the cars, the taxes, so the utility. So a lot of it, I'm still using what's in the account, but then I also take what's in the envelope and deposit it. So each month we kind of get a little bit closer to having it funded in advance. I hope that makes sense. And then most of these all get $5. Entertainment, though, is going to get 10. Gifts is getting 5. I don't know if I have a 5 on here. So I'm going to have to color 1/2 of the cake. Now the question is, will I remember which blue I used when I did this birthday challenge? Okay. Lashes always gets 23. Makeup gets 5. Ooh, is it my last week? I hope I counted right and there's going to be 75 in here. Otherwise, I'm going to have to cheat. I probably shouldn't have colored it in because I'm just going to remove the Sharpie. Let's see what we have. That's a ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, dong. Ding, 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 dong. Well, I have 80. 20, 40, 60, 75, 80. Okay. Putting this in my big book. I don't know what I did. But I only needed... Actually, I should just put it back into makeup. Instead of putting it in big book, I should just put it back into makeup and just let it stay there. That's what I should do. Self-care is getting 5. And these are nothing. And then our savings challenge binder. Now, this is ever evolving because when I first started cash budgeting, I didn't do minis and tinies. This was a few years ago. So this was really my fun binder. Now that I have minis and tinies and group play and collabs, I have to transition this binder into another area, right? So I could have a weekly, monthly. This is a yearly. So these probably can go somewhere else, but for now, they're staying here until I figure out which binder I want them to be in. So this week, I'm gonna cross off June 12th. Next week, I think I'm gonna attack the May 29th. This is available in my Etsy, however, it's still 2026. So I need to upload 2027 soon. Since it's almost June, that just rhymed. June, I'll wait till next week, or I don't know, in a few weeks. So here I'm gonna do the, I think 16, no, I can't remember. I'm gonna do the 16 because I can't remember. And I hope that dries because these are water-based on matte. I'm gonna leave it out because it doesn't really look like it dried. see what we have so far in here. Ooh, this one is racking up here. I shouldn't have done that because now I'm going to take it to the bank. Take it to the house. Take it to the house. All right, so in our, this is also by Izzy Budgets. Was that 176 or 276? $176. That is over halfway done. Lovely, but that's going to burn a hole in this envelope and go to the bank now that I counted it. That is what's going to happen. Okay, Mom Kenway is getting 5. Let me put in a 10 and take out 5. So I have a 5 for the next envelope. And, oh, I do. Oh, this one's almost full. I'll have to do a count and make sure that money is actually there. And that I didn't pull it without erasing. Because sometimes that happens quick. Because you know, the Mom Kenway, there's not much patience when it comes to that. And then the next one you will notice is empty. Yep, that's right, empty. So sometimes they just got a hole burning in their pocket. Did your parents used to say that to you? They got a hole, burning a hole in your pocket once you get some money? Well, that's this one. So it went to some Batman Lego game. Okay, and then we have our Christmas savings, which we have $14 left. And this is by Creations by Tosh. I wonder if they're all $5. Let's see how many I should scratch. Well, okay, let's not get too overzealous. I only have $9. Let's roll a D2. 2. So let's scratch 2 and see what it says. I bet they're all 5s. Oh no. There's 1. Oh, that's a 10. And a 5, so it's 15. So I gotta cheat. I'm gonna cheat. Okay. So what do I have in there? A 10. So I have a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I need one more dollar, right? Yeah, I need one more dollar, so I'm gonna cheat. There's 15. Going into Christmas savings. Please check out everybody I tagged in this video. So we have 15, and because I cheated, I have to take out $1. Cause I'm a cheater, baby. Anybody know that song? So I am not singing very good. I don't know if I ever sing good, actually. There's my cheater money. Oh, and I need $1 for completing my challenge. Okay, so that's finished for my sinking funds. And this binder's getting skinny because, like I said, I'm allocating money elsewhere to savings challenges. So I have to take this binder because I'm a cheater. In the back, this is my group play binder. I have Official Dice Cheaters Club. This is by the Enchanted Owl's Nest. And every time I cheat, I have to save. And today I cheated. Well, It's a dice cheater, but I just call it when I steal money. Because technically it is a dice cheater because I was supposed to put in more money from the dice than I had. Okay, there's that. Our finished challenge will go in here. This will go to our May closeout, which means I'm going to spend this on some makeup. And then, because we completed a challenge, we just finished a challenge. You know what that means? My girl Dawn from Dawn's Sunrise Budget makes an appearance. This is free on her coffee page. And we're going to color in a bubble. And that is it. So I do not have my completed challenge bank out. I should have mentioned the money holder is by Keely Creations. She is on Etsy. I will also have her tag below. Please check all of these amazing people out. I can say amazing women because they are all women. And have an awesome Friday. Hopefully my video will be up on Friday. But if not, I'll see you Saturday. Bye. Thanks for hanging out. And if you're still here, put a bubble in the comments. Whatever it is. Whether it's a fish with a bubble, whatever. Thanks for hanging out. I'm happy we're here. I appreciate your time. And I love you. Thank you. Bye.